Longevity for cats and dogs.
Do you want your beloved companion to live longer? Perhaps turn them into a lifelong companion? Or at least 20 or 30 years or more? Well, welcome to the world of pet longevity. A new trend has recently emerged of people interested in longevity and general health of their beloved pets, cats and dogs.
Scientists could be on the brink of a big breakthrough when it comes to helping four-legged friends live longer.
A biotech company just cleared a major FDA hurdle, and it has many dog owners excited at the prospect. According to the AKC, the average lifespan of a small dog breed is between 10 to 15 years.
There is a well-known relationship between a dog's size and its expected lifespan. Some breeds, such as the Bernese mountain dogs, French Bulldog and Great Danes, live from 6 to 8 years only. Corgis can live up to 15 years, and Chihuahuas average a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. Smaller dogs tend to live longer than larger dogs. Domestic cats, on the other hand, have an average lifespan of between 10 and 15 years, and with excellent care, some cats can live to be 20 years old. The longest-lived cat in the world was Creme Puff from Austin, Texas. She lived an incredible 38 years and 3 days, from 1967 to 2005. Her longevity was attributed to a healthy diet, plenty of exercise, and lots of love and attention from her owner, Jake. In recent research, Dr. Toru Miyazaki and his research team from Japan, many cats have a high propensity to chronic kidney disease, beginning at 10 years of age, affecting 1 in 3 felines. As affected cats age, they gradually lose their kidney function, which significantly limits their longevity. Dr. Miyazaki's breakthrough comes in the form of the AIM injection, a medication that helps cats suffering from chronic kidney disease.
Cats could soon live up to 30? Japanese scientist Miyazaki has completely tackled the kidney problem in cats. Finding the root cause of the issue, cat owners will understand that chronic kidney disease in cats is incredibly tricky. After 10 years, cats typically show abnormal kidney reactions. Almost 1 out of every 3 cats suffers from chronic kidney disease. This disease is irreversible, resulting in cats losing at least 30% of their kidney function. So currently, the average lifespan of cats is around 15 years. After Miyazaki's research on the AIM injection for cats, they might no longer suffer from kidney disease, extending their lives to 30 years. The medication is currently in the clinical trial phase, expected to be available by 2025. And based on the latest trial results, this medication is highly effective. Even cats that were declared to have only 1 week left showed remarkable improvement after receiving the AIM injection. Moving Gullah. What's even better is that they plan to lower the medication's price so that every furry friend can afford it. Imagine a world where our beloved cats not only live longer but thrive in good health. Miyazaki's groundbreaking AIM injection promises not just extended lifespans but more vibrant, joyous years. Are you in front of the screen as excited as I am? Let's all stay tuned for a future where our furry friends could enjoy a richer, healthier life.
The AIM injection is currently in clinical trial phase and is anticipated to be available by 2025. The strategy targets common life-shortening conditions that affect cats and medicates them. So there might be more breakthroughs using these strategies to make cats live longer. A new company is seeking approval for a medication to extend the lifespan of your pets now. It appears that the way to extend a dog's life is surprisingly similar to humans. Exercise your dog and keep them at an ideal weight. But researchers are also working on 2 drugs, rapamycin and the inhibition of mTOR1, the Dog Aging Project.
A drug called rapamycin that's offering the exciting possibility of adding years to a dog's life.
You know, my lab's seen pretty remarkable effects in terms of increasing lifespan and improving health during aging.
Dr. Matt Kaberlein is overseeing the study of rapamycin and its effect on dogs.
We didn't detect any significant side effects in the dogs that were getting the drug, so that's great.
Rapamycin is used primarily as an anti-rejection drug for kidney transplants in humans. In large large doses, there can be serious side effects. But in lower doses, it's showing promise as a drug that could suppress disease and extend life in animals and potentially people too.
And a recent one, inhibition of IGF-1.
It is meant to lower levels of a growth hormone called IGF-1 involved in metabolism and linked to dog size.
They'll stay their same size, but it slows that rate of aging to levels that are already healthily seen in smaller dogs to hopefully give them more healthy years.
The company announced this week its injectable drug had cleared a key FDA hurdle towards approval. CEO and founder Celine Holliwa says the next steps for the company is manufacturing the drug and ensuring its safety, but the hope is to start selling by 2026.
But I think it's actually probably one of the best things we can do for the dogs that have done so much for us is to try to, help them have the best quality life they can.
The drug for dogs could lead to benefits for human health as well. Jeff Wood with the Ontario Veterinary College says it could be a win-win.
You're studying natural aging in an animal that is much closer to human genetically than a mouse would be or any rodent.
mTORC1 inhibition is well known to extend lifespan, while researchers identify that short-lived breeds have overexpressed IGF-1 signaling. The insulin IGF-1 pathway plays a role in body remodeling, energy production and protein synthesis. Inhibiting IGF-1 targets the PI3K-AKT pathway FOXO1, leading to protein synthesis inhibition. More metabolic processes, more entropy, more byproducts. For example, protein synthesis means more ribosomes and the higher likelihood of aggregates and misfolds, both disastrous to the cell. Higher energy demands means more mitochondrial mutations and more waste products, accelerating damage. Historically, we have always used selective breeding of pets for various traits. So why not do it for longevity? Human beings have selectively bred dogs, starting with the wolf, since around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Humans began to selectively breed dogs to specific traits such as size, coat type, temperament, and working ability. Selective breeding led to the emergence of distinct dog breeds, each with their own unique characteristics, and these breeds just happen to have different lifespans. Same anatomy, yet lifespan different, meaning that there is a mechanism or system of longevity that is species-specific comparable. So let's compare and learn why the same species has a difference in lifespan. The answer, even though it is a comparison of identical anatomy, is still beyond the current human ability, and so the reasons for the difference in lifespan remains frustratingly unknown. The proposition: selectively breed cats and dogs for lifespan, turning a breed into a lifelong companion. Create the registry, identify long-lived breeds, collect and store biologics, and interbreed the candidates. Repeat the process. Most pets have a great life these days, and if you were to ask them, they certainly would not want to leave. So, should we be extending cats and dogs' lifespan? Let me know in the comments. Talk to your vet. Article links are in description. Tony, over and out.